Here's how to fix the error in the Find My app on your Mac that says, "Sign in to locate your Mac and other devices" under the Devices section. Go to the Apple logo in the top menu and click on System Settings. Click on your Apple ID name, then go to iCloud Settings. Next, click on See All to view all iCloud services and enable Find My Mac. Click on the Turn On button to enable Find My so you can locate your Mac. Now click Done to save the changes. Go back to Privacy and Security Settings, then open Location Services. Make sure the Location Services toggle is turned on and that Find My is also enabled. That's it. If you're still stuck and the issue isn't fixed, restart your Mac and check again. Also, make sure your Mac is updated to the latest version of Mac OS under System Settings. If you have any questions, comment below. Please like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for new video updates.